1975 Toyota FJ44x4 diesel. Price: $29,950. Location: New York, USA. The 1975 Toyota FJ40 diesel is more than just a classic off-road vehicle. It is a symbol of adventure, durability, and legendary engineering. Finished in a beautiful sky blue exterior paired with a contrasting Cygnus white roof, this iconic Land Cruiser instantly transports enthusiasts back to a golden era when vehicles were built to conquer the world's toughest terrain without compromise. The moment you look at this FJ40, its rugged personality becomes unmistakable. From the steel front bumper and hella fog lamps to the rear-mounted full-size spare tire, every detail was designed with purpose. Unlike modern SUVs that focus heavily on luxury, the FJ40 was engineered to survive harsh conditions and remote locations where reliability meant everything. Its timeless styling remains one of the most recognizable designs in automotive history. The real magic lies under the hood. Power comes from a dependable inline four-cylinder diesel engine paired with a manual transmission. This combination became famous around the globe for delivering exceptional torque, impressive fuel efficiency, and the ability to keep running under conditions that would stop many other vehicles in their tracks. Whether crossing deserts, climbing mountain trails, or navigating muddy backroads, the diesel-powered FJ40 earned a reputation for being nearly unstoppable. The interior perfectly reflects Toyota's philosophy of functional simplicity. Black seating, a body-colored dashboard, manual crank windows, and practical controls create an authentic driving experience that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. Every switch, lever, and component serves a purpose. It's a reminder of a time when durability and usability were valued above unnecessary complexity. The spacious rear cargo area makes this Land Cruiser incredibly versatile, featuring iconic inward-facing fold-down seats and a split 60/40ths rear bench. The FJ40 can easily accommodate extra passengers or large amounts of gear. Whether you're heading into the wilderness for a weekend adventure or attending a classic car gathering, this vehicle adapts effortlessly to your needs. The famous ambulance-style rear doors add both character and functionality. Opening wide to reveal the cargo space, they provide easy access for equipment, camping gear, tools, or luggage. This practical design helped make the FJ40 a favorite among explorers, farmers, military units, and humanitarian organizations across the world. The reason collectors and enthusiasts continue to chase these diesel Land Cruisers is simple. They represent one of the purest forms of automotive engineering ever created. In many parts of Africa, South America, and Australia, the FJ40 became legendary for its ability to operate in extreme environments and even run on lower quality fuel when necessary. Stories of these vehicles traveling hundreds of thousands of miles are not uncommon.